You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name, the name of this obviously super famous company. This is also the name of the founder, who was named Walt. So let's break down how it is pronounced. I know the spelling makes it a bit confusing. It's not Disney, Disney. The stress goes on the first syllable. Let's hear it. Disney. Alright, so it's got a Z sound or Z sound. Z, Diz, Des, not this. It's not an S sound. It's not Disney or Disney. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.